As everyone, you're probably using AI every single day, but there's one thing you're most likely not doing, which I think you should, to 10x the leverage you can get out of AI, and here's how to do it. This is day 42 of the Founder Memo, where I share daily hacks and insights for founders and investors like you. If you like it, make sure to follow me, and also make sure to check my weekly newsletter. It comes out every Sunday. So you probably use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all these tools, and maybe you tried out doing something like a ChatGPT bot or a ChatGPT project, a Gemini gem, or maybe something like a Claude project. And that's where you are sitting right now with AI, maybe doing something like Notebook LM, or maybe a little bit of vibe coding with V0 or whatever, Lovable. Now, if you want to really leverage on AI for your projects, whatever project or strategy thinking you got to do around something where you're operating on a day-to-day basis, I think you should totally consider running AI locally with something like Gemini or Claude Code. So let me briefly show you how to do that with Gemini. You're gonna Google Gemini Cli, like literally just write that on Google, and you're gonna have to find this GitHub link. And here you'll have the instructions on how to run Gemini very easily locally. You're gonna have to do a couple of things that are a little bit technical on the terminal. And once you're done, you just write the command Gemini, basically, there it is. And that starts a local Gemini project within a specific local folder. If your business runs on Google Workspace for businesses, you're going to be able to use this for free. So that is awesome. So why would you do this? Basically, you're going to do this because the context window is going to be much larger than if you're running this on a ChatGPT project or a Claude project. And additionally, something that this browser-based AIs can't do is writing files within the project, updating the system prompts or the system instructions, and creating a smart folder structure with multiple files inside of them based on what you actually need. Also, the cool thing about this is that the AI itself will guide you around the process if you ask the right questions and you want, the right outputs for what you're actually trying to solve, right? So it's great because instead of you having to update instructions or update specific files, the AI will do it for you every time you work on a specific session. I don't know about you, but in my case, I stopped all my subscriptions on AI. All I'm using right now is just Gemini Cli locally on my computer, and I have a bunch of different local projects running, and I am getting awesome output. You should totally go give this a try. Thank me later. Thank you for watching today's Founder Memo, and I hope to see you in tomorrow's one.